welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my January update for my January 2021 update. You have to specify the year now because we've been doing this since what, 2018? My goodness, it's been a while. This is for Supernatural Pan Interrupted. I do it with my girl Amanda. We have had other people join in, and it's just our love of Supernatural and panning all combined into one. We are panning a product for every single episode that ever aired, and some of it is to actually finish a product, some is just to hit a goal in a product, and yeah, we just keep on going and going and going and going. This is what I call a forever project because it's going to take forever to get all the way through all of these products and all of these episodes. I am still in season 3. And like I said, we started this in, let's see, August 19th of 2018. It's been a hot minute here, and still going strong, still enjoying it. And I have an empty, which makes me happy. But before we get into my empties, I'm going to have Amanda link down below. She is coming back to the tube. She's been taking care of some things at home, and she'll be back as soon as she can get her filming set up, taken care of. And I am excited to have her back here on YouTube. So I'm going to link her down below. If you're interested in joining this, by all means, we would love to have you. I'm like, keep touching things and it keeps making noise over here. So let me get that out of the way so I don't distract myself. I'm like a dog that sees a squirrel. All right, so yeah, we're doing 6 products at a time. I don't know if I mentioned that. I'm sure I have in the past, but we're just doing 6 at a time just to kind of mix it up a little bit. And I have one that I've actually finished. This was for Dream a Little Dream of Me, in that Bobby is in a coma. There's tons and tons of sleep references, so I wanted something that I use like at bedtime before I go to sleep. And I used the Goop Beauty Goop Glow. It is the 5% glycolic acid fruit extracts overnight glow peel, and this is the light version. This is only 5%. They do a 10 and a 15%, I believe, but I have incredibly sensitive skin. This one was absolutely perfect, and I loved it. It was not too harsh on my sensitive skin. It did what it was supposed to do. I really enjoyed it. It is like crazy expensive. There was only 4 in here and it was $45. You know, if I had like oodles and oodles of disposable income, I would certainly purchase that again. This one I actually got through Octoly, enjoyed it, and you know, I might in the future because I'm pretty sure Goop Beauty is cruelty free. Don't quote me on that. I would have to double check it, but I do believe they are. And I'm working on one of their microderma peel things that my skin absolutely loves that one too. So, all right. So that is my one and only empty. I have products that are used but not done yet. So let's get into it. The Starlux Gem Pencil I have for Hollywood. Babylon Star. You know, it makes sense for Hollywood. I originally wanted to use down to this gold line here, and I was so unmotivated to use it because it was such an intimidating goal for as many other products as I was working on. So I decided to do 20 uses on this after it had been in almost a year. I am currently at 7 uses. I know that's still not a lot, but I'm actually using it now, so you know, that's something. That is something. For Fresh Blood, that's, of course, it's a vampire thing. I have this liquid red, just like blood. Nail polishes, the Revlon Raven Red, and I am down here at this purpley line right here. I do believe this one will be done by the next update, so cross your fingers that I can get that one done. And let's see, the next one is also a nail polish. That is for a very Supernatural Christmas. Of course, you know, Christmas, you gotta have something holiday themed. So I have this KleanColor gel polish in, I believe it's Holiday Jingle. Yes, I wanted to do 20 uses on this. So far I have used it 9 times. Had to double check. I wore this a ton right around Christmas time. I get so many compliments on my nails when I did this. Can you guys see how low it is right now? It's like right in this area, and I don't think I will finish it in those other 11 uses, but I used quite a bit of it, quite a bit. Let's see, Mystery Spot. That episode was almost like Groundhog Day, if you've seen the movie, with Bill Murray, which is one of my favorites. It's like the same day keeps happening, and there's just slight variances to each of those days. That's how I feel about all of my lip balms. I have so many of them. There are slight variances between them all. They're not exactly the same, but I just have so stinking many that it almost feels like they're the same. So I have this potted lip balm from Event Blossom. I've ever so slightly expanded the pan on this. Not enough to really get excited about, but it has gotten some usage, but it's still going to take a while because I have some other things some other lip balms and lip products that are on a much tighter deadline, so I've been focusing more on those and just kind of using this one randomly. It will get there. It will get there, I promise. All right, and the last one is Justin Bello. This episode, this is like one of those campy episodes that I absolutely love, and I've explained it before. I shot the sheriff, but I didn't shoot the deputy. It's like they're lines from the episode. So I chose Pacifica Gunmetal eyeliner, and I originally, again, wanted to get to the line there, the blue, to where it was sharpened off. And then I decided, after being in here a while, let's just do 20 uses. I might actually get to that line after using it 20 times. You can see just how close I am, and I am currently at 14 uses. So I need 6 more uses on this bad boy. I might not get to the line, but I'm pretty stinking close on that. I am certain this will be rolling out the next update because 6 uses is going to take me 6 days to do that if I use it every day. And I've been using it quite frequently lately. So I do believe these 2 will be done by the next update. I absolutely love this red on my toes, so that's probably where it's going to end up. And yeah, that would be awesome to have 2 products rolling out and being able to roll in 2 new products for next update. So with that being said, I do have one to roll in for this product right here. The next episode is another funny episode. I mean, it's funny in some ways, in other ways it's kind of tragic, but Ghostfacers. Yeah, Ghostfacers. If you are a supernatural person, you appreciate Ghostfacers for what it is. It's pretty hysterical. Anyway, so this episode is the Ghostfacers, which they're basically, they're a group of, I don't want to say kids, because I think they're in their early 20s, maybe late teens, early 20s. It's a group of people in their varying ages. Some siblings in there, step siblings, adopted siblings, whatever, and some interns. Well, they decide they're going to go chasing ghosts in this one haunted house, and it is haunted where like every leap year at midnight, when it is actually like the leap year or the leap day or whatever, at midnight, there's always a death in this house. There's reports of seeing ghosts and stuff like that. So the Ghostfacers want to go and check it out and see if they can get it on camera and figure out what is going on. So I'm not going to ruin the episode. I'm not. It was a good episode. It's one that I will watch over and over again. So because everything happens on leap year at midnight, I decided to use midnight, like play off the word midnight. And I am bringing in Urban Decay Midnight Cowboy. I really love this eyeshadow. It already has some pan in it. I only want to do 20 uses on this. I have so many eyeshadows and projects right now. It was this or it was Mally Midnight eyeshadow or eyeliner, and I'm already working on a black eyeliner, so I figured, you know, go with the Urban Decay Midnight Cowboy and just get the 20 uses. I think that'll work for me, and I don't know that I can have that done by the next update, but I can probably have a good amount of uses on that because it's a really versatile, easy to use kind of eyeshadow. So that is my update for this. I am excited that I can roll some new stuff in, and I should, like I said, probably have new roll-ins for next update, if I could talk. So keep your fingers crossed for me that I can get a new one rolled in. Don't forget to talk, Jessica. Don't forget to check out Amanda because, like I said, she should be back very soon if she's not already by the time this goes live. And I think that is everything. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.